Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The Pinacol-Diazotization, also called the Tiffinodimgenov or related semipinacol type rearrangement via diazonium, involves a 1,2-diol system where one O is replaced by an amino group, NH2, which is then diazotized using nano-2-HCl to form a diazonium ion. The diazonium ion is an excellent leaving group, and the adjacent hydroxyl-bearing carbon facilitates a 1,2 shift semipinacol type migration, resulting in a carbonyl compound, ketone or aldehyde. Moving on to the next step. In option B, the starting material is Me2C or CMe2NH2, a beta-amino alcohol, i.e., a 1,2-amino alcohol. Treatment with nano-2-HCl diazotizes the NH2 group to give a diazonium ion on the CMe2 carbon adjacent to the C or Me2 carbon. The nitrogen, N2, then leaves, generating a carbocation, and simultaneously a 1,2-methyl shift from the adjacent carbon bearing the OH group occurs, semipinacol rearrangement. This gives the ketone Me-C is equal to O, CMe3, methyl neopentyl ketone pinacolone. This is the classic Pinacol-Diazotization, Tiffinodimgenov type reaction. Moving on to the next step. Option A uses Ag+ with a beta-halohydrin. This is a neighboring group or silver-assisted ionization, not Pinacol-Diazotization. Option C uses H+ with a 1,2-diol Pinacol. This is the classic Pinacol rearrangement, not Pinacol-Diazotization. Option D involves a spiroketone reacting with H+. This is a semipinacol rearrangement of a cyclic substrate, not Pinacol-Diazotization. And for the final step, only option B involves the diazotization of an amino alcohol followed by 1,2 shift, which is the definition of Pinacol-Diazotization. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.